and we're back again mga Tweenies. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit
Hit
the
that subscribe
notification
button.
bell button so you're updated to our vlogs and shorts and posts.
Yes,
And so today we're gonna do night routine. I'm just gonna get the brush. Wait, guys.
yes. Gonna brush my. I have a lazy eye. I don't know.
I got the shorts and the brush. Gonna change her clothes. I'll just make this as the diaper. It's fine. And this is the short.
And
Uh, Sorry, guys.
with an alcohol. So shiny her bald head.
What do you need?
Go shine her bald head. Put water in your head a little bit so you can
So
style it.
the looks, yeah. You, it looks so cute.
Her
And now
body
I'm gonna brush the
is,
hair. That's
is
pretty
shining. Look,
pretty.
it's
Right.
shining. Look, it's shining, guys.
Bro. She
Let's
also made she also made Baby Alive clothes by using a sock.
yeah.
We're gonna remove her makeup. I'm just gonna use wipes, guys. Be right back. Oh boy. Back.
Sabi ko na yun. Ah, she used to be a girl, but now it's a boy.
Yeah. Her name last time is Sarah. But now
Yeah.
Oliver.
Because you have a, ano, sister.
Yeah. Which is Sunshine.
You haven't seen her in my
Yeah.
vlogs. I
Only
mean, in my
only
introductions.
Oliver first.
Yeah.
So we're done removing the makeup. I'm gonna remove the makeup of Olive.
They're gonna meet again.
Who?
Olive and Oliver and Olive. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Enemies to lovers something. So I'm just gonna brush my hair first.
Keep your friends close to the enemies closer.
Okay, so we're gonna tie her hair. I'm gonna find a hair tie, guys. Wait, gonna be right back. That's her pajamas. Yeah.
Nakahanap ka na.
Yeah.
Auto screen record natin.
Now I'm done doing her hair tie. So we're gonna wait for her to finish. So yeah, she's done.
Sa, this is her pajamas.
Yeah,
With her
looks
Superman
cute.
clothes here.
Looks cute. Double clothes, double clothes.
Kind of see-through, but it's okay. It's kind of see-through. If you
This is Cyril's favorite toy.
where's Olive?
Oh, Olive? Here.
You're not gonna make her.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, so let's brush her hair.
Wait,
I've removed the makeup now, so
wait lang.
she's done.
Naka-screen record ka na?
Yep.
Oh, okay. No.
It means, she said, guys, it means are you doing screen record already? I said, yeah. So that's what it means. This is her favorite toy. I I used to hit my brother with this thing.
It's kind of look like a girl, but it's actually a boy.
They're so cute. What a cutie pie.
Look, it's
No.
where's Olive?
Olive? Yeah, here.
Hi, Olive.
Hi. Twins. Twins.
Yeah, I have a twin.
Yeah. This their dog Bella.
Gabriella. Gabriella himself. Gabriella. This is the clothes.
I used to let my dad buy this for me. But now I don't use it anymore.
Should I do blue or black?
What do you mean?
This is black. I think. Oh, it's not black. Kind of black.
Oh. So are we done? Are you done making?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Bye and subscribe to
Bye. Bye,
subscribe.
guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Or else.
Subscribe.
Just
Bye.
kidding. Bye.